So I'll show you a little tip and trick real quick, because these gloves on and being wet, no matter how tight I grip this, it's twisting in my hand. The two places you always use them is always right here when you're splitting stuff or chopping larger things, and a lot of times you choke up on it here when you're like shaving off the ends, and it gets slippery. You take your folding saw, you go on a 45-degree angle. Every ½ inch, 3/4 inch or so, where your hand is going to be. Then turn it and do your 45 the other way. Make some cross hatch marks on it, and it'll help you grip it with your hands or wet gloves. So there you go, just cross hatch it on both sides where my hand is, and it helps grip. So let's try it out. Now it's not spinning in my hand with the wet gloves. There you go.